Viewers, today we'll see 7 interesting facts about HAWA Mahal. Number 1. Do you know why it's called the Wind Palace? HAWA Mahal means Palace of Winds. It has 953 small windows. They were built to keep the winds blowing inside the palace. It was a summer retreat for many Rajput families during olden times. HAWA Mahal is one of the major attractions in Jaipur. Number 2. Shaped like a crown. HAWA Mahal is built in the shape of a crown. It looks like Lord Krishna's crown. Do you know who built this? Savai Pratap Singh was believed to be a great devotee of Lord Krishna. His passion became the reason behind this marvelous design. Number 3. Built for royal ladies. HAWA Mahal was constructed as a separate complex for the royal ladies. The idea was that royal women could watch the daily life of the cities through the windows. Imagine a palace is built for only getting wind. Number 4. Looks like a honeycomb. The facade of the building is structured like a beehive. The intricately designed windows allow the royal women to watch the bustle of the city without being visible to the public. Number City Palace. Number 5. No front entrance. HAWA Mahal doesn't have a direct entrance. One has to enter from the side of the city palace. HAWA Mahal was built as a part of a city palace, so there is no entrance from the outside. Number 6. No stairs to reach the upper floors. HAWA Mahal has 5 floors and there are no steps to climb. Instead, there are only ramps to reach the top floors. Imagine a palace with no steps. Number 7. Named after HAWA Mandir. HAWA Mahal got the name from its 5th floor, which was called as HAWA Mandir. The palace with all its grandeur stands in the city and is one of the must-visit places in Jaipur. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.